I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my first alert smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So this is a great combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm for any room in your house, but particularly I like to use these in any room where people will be sleeping. And it's great because since it's a combination alarm, it'll detect if there's smoke and it will detect if there's carbon monoxide. It'll also tell you which one it has detected using the little indicator lights on here if it does go off. So that's a great way to detect and keep you safe from those two different potential threats. Some other things that are nice about this is that it is a battery-powered alarm. So there's a little battery compartment in here. It takes AA batteries, so it's very easy to swap these out. And it will chirp to indicate when it's time to change out those batteries. So it's nice because you don't have to have a hardwired connection. You can really set this up almost anywhere where you can attach it to the ceiling or a high point in the room that you're trying to monitor. It also has a test function. You can press the button here and it will sound a test alarm if the unit is operating correctly. So you can do that periodically and ensure that the alarm is providing that protection that you need. Mounting the alarm is really easy. It comes with this kind of mounting plate that goes into, in this case, the ceiling. It also comes with all of the mounting hardware that you need to attach that. And you can put that up on your ceiling as I've done here. And then it's very simple to just take the detector, you put it in there, just give it a turn, and it's solidly mounted onto the ceiling there where it will sit there and help to keep you safe. So the lifespan on this is actually 7 years. You will have to replace the batteries more frequently, but the unit can actually detect for up to 7 years. And it will sound a different alert to let you know when it's reached the end of life, so you can go ahead and dispose of it properly and replace it with hopefully a new alarm. Another nice thing with this is that it is an 85 decibel alarm, which is really loud, so it's definitely loud enough to alert you if it detects either the carbon monoxide or smoke threats in the environment. So really great first alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, and I've got this set up right here in my kids' nursery.